Hello, my name is Praveen Andrews. Welcome my friend to this video. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups dried red lentils, that is masoor dal, and water to cover the lentils by 1 inch on top. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well and soak for 4 hours, or at least for 30 minutes if you are in a hurry. Drain the lentils. Wash the lentils 3 times under tap water until the water in the lentils is clear and not whitish looking. Drain the lentils again. To the same saucepan, add 6 cups of water to cover the lentils. Add half teaspoon of salt. Turn the heat to high and bring to a boil. Scoop away the foam that forms on top of the lentils. Reduce heat to medium-low and simmer, uncovered for 15 minutes or until lentils are tender. Keep the cooked lentils aside. In a small frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil and turn the heat to medium. Add half cup of chopped onions. Saute for 15 to 20 minutes until onions turn golden brown. If the onions stick to the bottom of the pan, add up to 4 tablespoons or more of water. Keep the fried onions aside to be used as a garnish at the end. Add 1 tablespoon oil to a kadai or wok pan and turn the heat to medium. Add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds and toast for 30 seconds. Add 3 cloves garlic, coarsely chopped, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 2 green chilies finely chopped, and 12 curry leaves. And saute for 1 minute. Stir in 1.5 cups onions finely chopped, half teaspoon salt, and cook for 7 minutes until onions have softened and appear shiny in appearance. Since oil usage is minimal, at any time during the saute, if food sticks to the bottom of the pan, add 4 tablespoons to up to a cup of water, or even more if needed. Add half teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 cup chopped spinach leaves or chira leaves, and saute for 1 minute. Add the cooked red lentils that was kept aside. If the lentil mixture is very dry and hard, add 4 tablespoons or more of water to loosen it such that it looks like a thick curry. Add more water if needed. Add 1/3 cup coconut milk. Turn the heat to high and bring to a boil. Add more water if needed. You know that the lentils are boiling when you notice small craters, that is, holes forming in them. Stir in half teaspoon fresh lemon juice and optionally half teaspoon ghee. Remove from heat. Season with up to half teaspoon or more of salt. Adjust according to taste. Garnish with fried onions if you decide to use it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to click the like button. And I'd recommend you check out one of the videos listed on the screen, just like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.